thank you all so much for stopping by today. So, I'm not sure what you're doing on this very day, but I want to invite you to click the link in the description and watch series one of our 5 part series, Ready, Set, Grow, all for free. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that, but first, I want to introduce myself because we have some new subscribers here. And first of all, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch our videos, whether you're new or whether you've been with us for a while. But my name is Ayana of Southern Entertaining, and the main purpose of what we are doing is we want to teach beginner gardeners to stop daydreaming about a garden that you want or imagining about the garden that you wish to have. We want to show you how to grow just that. We want you to have a beautiful and successful and a flourishing garden so that you can keep growing. That is what we're here for. That is the name of the game. So we always get a lot of questions about when do I start gardening, or is it too late for me to grow? Because we're all in different parts of the world and everyone's zone is different. And so I wanted to put out this 5 part series, Ready, Set, Grow. And I want you to go watch series number one. Again, the link will be in the description, because what series number one is going to help you do is, before you even go to the garden center, before you even order gardening things online, it's going to help you put all of this into perspective about gardening. When you're supposed to grow, if you want to start seeds, when you should start seeds. It's going to give you some things to think about, like, are there trees around your house? What part are you going to put your garden in? Because there's certain parts that we look for when we start a garden, or like north, south, east, west. There's certain things that you want to do depending on what you want to grow. And so this series is going to break all of this down, but I want you to click on the link and watch series number one for free. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.